Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. I got a couple little projects for the old Himalayan today. One is I bought a new seat. I got myself one of these, it's called a comfort seat. It seems to look just like, I'll show the other seat, just like the other seat, but it's supposed to be firmer, more comfortable, so we're going to put that on. Easy. The other one is, this is a light that goes on inside here. I was driving down the road and I started getting a vibration noise. We checked it out and there was a bulb like this in there that had the crack, the front end was cracked up. So we glued it back together, worked fine for about 10 miles, and then it came apart again. Went to baxtercycle.com, and they gave me a brand new one. They actually offered to put it in, but I wanted to do some other things to the bike, so I got it right here. All right, let's get her going. Pretty easy job. We'll just need a set of Allen wrenches, this wonderful little screwdriver here, and the magic blue Loctite that every motorcycle rider should have, right? Wahoo! This headlight cover is held on with Allen wrenches, Allen screws. Let's see if we can find the right one. Looks like a 3mm. Oh yeah, 3mm. Just 2 screws that hold this on, and the headlight also, headlight housing. This little thing will fall out if you don't put it somewhere. So I'm going to put it over here with the hardware. Over here on the other side, same thing. Okay, this thing, the screw and the little doodad. Next step, this headlight should just pop out. You have to pull it up from the bottom, hooks on the latches on the top. Should just pull right out on the back. And this little red thing right here, this has a red connector, so we've got to pull that loose. Push it down kind of thing. Okay. So this is it in the headlight. It's in the bottom of the headlight. I think this is a Euro rule that they have it, because we don't need these in America. In America, our headlights are always on when the bike's running. Everything else looks good on it. So yeah, the whole thing came off. There we go. It's coming out in pieces. Ha! I did it. I dropped a piece in there. There we are. I can see it. Let's see if we can, yep, got it. Ha ha! This is what came out. This is the old one. There's a little light on there, little circuit board, gasket, and then the cover. This cover here went over this housing. Okay, let's put the new one in. All right, driving down the road, and it just started rattling. And ironically, the rattling was, it would go away below 4,600, and it would start back up. It'd go way below 4,000, but it got worse between 46 and 49. And over 4,000 or over 5,000, it would smooth back out. Well, these Himalayans cruise at about 46 to 4,900. So the new bulb has a gasket installed already on it. As far as what way goes up, I'm going to look for lettering. And I'm just going to put the lettering up. Oh, let me clean this real quick. Okay. We just push that on like that. Make sure it snaps on. Put the screws back in. Get the screwdriver right. I had it on prime mode. Now it's on install mode. I'm not bothering to Loctite this because this is going into plastic. Okay, that's in. Check it out. Everything looks right. Line up our one-way clip. It'll only go in one way. It's in. Same with this one. Headlight works. Pass the flash works. I'm going to put a little of this blue Loctite on there. This little thing here has to catch on this lip in here. So you'll put the top in first, that'll line it up. Do that. Okay, I got it started. A little bit of blue Loctite on there. This time I'll grab the Allen wrench. I'm going to pull this in almost tight, but not tight. I want to be able to adjust the cover if I need to. Got about 1/8 of an inch before it's tight. If that. Okay, now I kind of adjust this the way I want it to be. That looks pretty good. Snug it up on both sides. Does it look right? Yes, it does look right. All right, feels right too. Go ahead and tighten it up. So let's till you hear the click, 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 double click. Click, click, double click. Got her done. Next thing is going to be the seat, and I'm going to drag the camera over here for y'all. So it's just like, it looks similar to the old seat, except the front looks like it might horn up. Here, let me get the old seat off and compare them. Rear part off with the toolkit. And then the new seat, the old seat off. Okay, it looks like this new seat has more of a horn on the front, and it looks like it's thicker through this backside. Otherwise, it's pretty close to the same thing. It also has the RE symbol right here, so Wahoo. But this installs just like the other seat. You just slip it in there. Make sure it's cut on the front. Grab the other seat, the rear seat, the pillion seat, whatever all you want to call it, put it there, and there we go. Now we're in. All right, y'all. That's our Royal Enfield work of the day fun. So we had rain all night, and it looks like rain right now, but it's actually supposed to be clearing up. So I'm gonna get that hot rod going and try to spend my afternoon on that motorcycle. Y'all get out there and ride. Life's too short not to. Wahoo!